Hi, I'm Scott Toole. I'm with Roto-Rooter Corporation. I'm real excited to be here with my partner Jake Saltzman of American Pipelining Supplies to tell you about our relationship and how we can help you at your location.
We're very excited to be working with Roto-Rooter Corporation and all their locations to provide trenchless solutions for their marketplace.
Part of the package when you purchase a descaling system or pipe patching system is the training that's included from my team at Roto-Rooter Corporation. We'll come to your location, we'll teach you how to properly use these systems and be successful with them. When it gets into CIPP lining, a member of my team will actually go with your team to Anderson, South Carolina to work with Jake and his crew as they train you on CIPP lining.
They've engaged us on a deeper level to help support their efforts to provide quality solutions and support for trenchless patching, for CIPP relining installations, and for preparation, reinstatements, and the continued support that they need to have to be successful in the field. We offer kind of a boot camp style training where it's very interactive, and it's all going to be to help better your location, and we offer the support in conjunction with Roto-Rooter Corporation to bring that to your location as well.
It's one thing to educate and introduce you to these products. The thing that's fun for us is to come to your location, to help train your people, to see you learn it and gain the experience that's necessary to be successful and offer more solutions and make more money.
My name is Jay Glazer. I'm the excavation manager at the Baltimore, Washington branch of Roto-Rooter. We're out here learning about pipe relining and patching. My experience with Roto-Rooter Corp has been nothing but positive, from training at our branch in person and then also being able to work with them remotely and call them and have them available to us to answer our calls any time of the day. My experience with APS has also been very positive. We've learned remote start curing, we've learned hot water curing, ambient curing, all different types of ways on doing the relining in different scenarios.
We talk about the Pacote machines, we talk about the tooling that goes with them, we do some classroom time to introduce those machines, and then we do hands-on training for the bulk of the time. So the technicians get real-world experience using these machines and descaling pipe. We show you the proper way to set up packers, to place and install patches, how to cure them out and work with resin safely and effectively. Typically at the conclusion of that training, my team will help you with a live install for a customer. Rather than just training time, this is real world getting it done time.
CIPP is an exciting option for your customers and clients in the fact that it offers an alternative to excavation, or gives them another option that they would be able to choose other than digging if it doesn't warrant that. Without disruption, without disturbing landscape and property, we're able to do this trenchlessly, almost without any sign of being on site. So we have a step-by-step process that we follow for the training process, and one of those things involves being very hands-on, very interactive. We want people to be able to ask questions and be vocal about what it is that they're seeing.
You tailored the training specifically for what is prevalent in our area, as opposed to just a very generic training. Yeah, I think the trainers are very open-minded and patient in their process, and we had a lot of off-the-wall questions sometimes, very case-specific, and you guys had an answer to every single one that we had.
There's also a segment of that is sales-related, and we help with some pricing strategies and some selling strategies for the members of your sales team.
Incredible, the amount that they brought to the table for us as far as knowledge and the comfort level they really put us at to give us the confidence to actually start that side of the business up. Ongoing support that we get out of our office for lining is amazing.
It's really as simple as calling us up. We'll talk through the best things for your location. We'll tailor the solutions to your location and your customers.
With them being so close to me, it gives me an opportunity to stop in all the time for communication, just to talk, just to see what else is out there.
So one of the great things about our relationship is that we're able to support your location and Roto-Rooter Corp in their efforts in the training and on-site support. Not only will Roto-Rooter Corporation provide one of their trainers to come out, I'll provide part of my staff to come out to make sure that things are being understood and implemented properly in the field to ensure long-term success. Let me give you a little bit more information about where APS is located. We're here in Anderson, South Carolina. We're about 2 hours from Atlanta and 2 hours from Charlotte, right smack in the middle. And it's beautiful country here. We've got one of the top 10 bass fishing lakes. Lake Hartwell is a 56,000 acre lake, and we do have boats and boating charters and fishing charters we can take you out on. We've got great eats and breweries, and it's a great place to come and have a lot of fun. In addition to that, Greenville is right next door. We can go over there and have a lot of fun as well. And it's just a great place to come, and the weather's almost always spot on.
I get really excited about this opportunity because it gives myself and my team at Roto-Rooter Corporation an opportunity to help grow your business. We get to help you learn how to have more solutions to offer to your customers. We're going to train you the right way. We're going to work with you to make sure you're successful, and we're a phone call away if you need help. And at the end of the day, you'll make more money and be successful. There's no doubt in my mind.